Hello everyone, welcome to our videos today. I'm glad to introduce the new products on my right hand. This is a gas pizza oven, and also we're having some keys for you from the manufacturers. They can convert to the propane one too. So let me give you the overall dimensions first. This unit's entire length is about like 36 inches wide. And the depth is about like 26.5 inches. For the front handlebars, it is about like 4.5 inches deep. Also length about like 27 inches. And for the unit's overall height, it is about like 28.5 inches tall. So like I mentioned, originally they're using the gas regulator they gave you from the manufacturers. This is for the connection. And also inner side these manual books, they have batteries. This is for the starters. And also have a converter kit injection right here. This one for you to using the propane. And also the PEPs connections at behind at the bottom right this place. And on side of the units we can see they do have the ETL sanitation stickers and all car sheets and all the manufacturer detail information on it too. And also look in the front, we can see they do have a power switcher right here. And for the batteries, you can install right here. It's on inside. So when we open this lid, we can see they're using the clay's inner side to cooking the pizza for this area. And on top and the bottoms, total they do have 4 pieces of this clay. And let me give the measurements on it. For each pieces, about like 20.5 inches deep and about like 15 1/4 inches wide. The thickness, they are just about like 3/4 inches. And also for the entire length of this inner side, it is about like 31 inches wide. And for this height of the clearance entries, it is about like 14.5 inches tall. And we can see they do having the adjustable layer handles on the side, so you can change the different layer on it. And at the behind of the units, they have a small exhaust hoods right here to connection with your hood systems. And this will be the all demonstration information about the products. If you do have more questions, feel free to contact with us. Thank you.